my channel, Cook It Yourself.
So today I'm going to make a restaurant style egg fried rice. You can make this recipe with the leftover rice because it won't be get clumpy. It's a very nice way to use the leftover rice as we use in the so many ways. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients. We have some chopped veggies, with eggs, salt, pepper and red chili powder, and rice, with oil, green chili sauce, vinegar and soya sauce. So in a pan, scramble the egg, add some salt and pepper. Give a mix and set aside. To the same pan, add oil and the chopped veggies. Fry for a minute. And then add salt, green chili sauce, soya sauce, and the vinegar. Mix well. And then I'll be adding the red chili powder, and the fried eggs, give a nice mix. Now add the rice, keep mixing. Lastly, add the spring onions. Give a mix. And serve hot. I have served it with some sliced onions, green chili sauce and cold drink. I hope you like my recipe. Press the bell icon to get the notification of my new recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have linked my IDs in the description box below.
I hope आप सबको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.